As you probably already know, spring and fall are the most important time of the year to take care of your grass. This might not be the best day to take care of your grass, but it's the best day to start unboxing the Mellif 36V 15-inch brushless electric 2-in-1 Dethatcher Scarifier. Mellif have 3 models available. One is compatible with Makita battery, the other one that's compatible with DeWalt battery, and this model here, which is compatible with Milwaukee batteries. This is supposed to be a tool-free assembly. It has quick change blade. First thing that we have in that box is that 12-gallon debris collection bag. Make sure that the fabric is pulled all the way, so it's all nice and square at the top. And then after that, we can click or quick connect plastic rubber at the end. Just slides from underneath onto those bars. I'll put this aside. In this box, we have the detacher blade. This is the back of the unit. As you can see, the Scarifier is already mounted to it. The first part of the assembly is going to be this bar here with the round knob at the bottom. There's teeth all the way around, and we're going to need this lock to secure it in place. Now, there's no left or right. There's 2 of those. You're gonna see that there is a little arrow. You just have to line it up with one of those 3 lines. Those 3 lines are so that you can quickly adjust your handle height, either at 37-inch, 40, or 44-inch. And then after that, you just quickly turn those knobs, and that will lock your handle in place. Those quick latch are so that you can fold the handle and have the unit more compact for storage. Those quick assembly latch, they come in 3 pieces. So you have the handle part, the washer part, and the bolt with the square shank. The bolt goes from the inside of the handle out, and then you put your washer flat side towards the handle. Now there is a trick to set those at the proper level, so you're gonna start screwing this like that, but then fold it, screw it really quick all the way around until it's starting to be tight, and open your latch, go another turn, and close it. And now it's nice and secure and tight. It's not over tightened, and it's not too loose. Our next step is just to install those 2 S brackets onto those posts. The big side go around your post, and the small side is going to be to hold your wire in place. To install the bag, we just lift this panel. There's 2 little latch which will take in those 2 little brackets. Now inside the battery compartment, you can either use the Mellif Milwaukee compatible battery, or whichever model you bought, DeWalt or Makita. Use those battery, or use the brand name battery, and they just fit into the unit. You have to use 2 18-volt battery, or the 20-volt if it's DeWalt. It can only be a maximum to 6 amp-hour battery. There's 2 safety switch for this Dethatcher Scarifier. The first one, the obvious one, is one at her handle. The other one is key into your battery compartment. They put it on a bungee cord so you don't lose it. It just cuts the contact. If you're gonna change the blade from Dethatcher to Scarifier, or do anything under the machine, then you should remove the battery or disconnect the key. The rear wheel of the unit is 5-inch and 23/32, while the front wheel, which is much larger, is 7-inch and 25/32. There is 5 different height position, which size 0 is the tallest height at 0.47 inch, all the way down to 0.23 inch. As for the 3 different settings for the height of our handle, the handle doesn't go in and out like this. It's actually tilting. So remember those 3 lines when we put this bracket together? Well, the longest line is actually your 44 inches. Middle line would be your 40 inches. And the bottom line would be a working height of 37 inches. The part where you're gonna need the Allen key is when you're trying to change your Scarifier for the Dethatcher. For this, you have to remove this Allen bolt. After you remove it, you just open the latch. You take your Scarifier out, and you're gonna see there's a bearing on this side. You're just gonna match that for the other side. And on this side, that's a square drive. So you just have to line it up with your square drive, kind of give it a turn until it slides in, and set your bearing in place until it touches the bottom, and just close this back up, tighten it, and you're good to go. The difference in between the Dethatcher, that's to remove thick hatch, and that will help removing the dead roots and everything from your grass and give it more space to be able to grow new roots and new grass, while the Scarifier cuts groove and improve water and air and nutrient absorption into your grass. Those blades give you a 15-inch working area. Well, now we know how to assemble this machine. I love that it comes with both the Scarifier and the Dethatcher. It's pretty quick to assemble if you don't explain everything that you're doing in the same time. But anyway, we're going to test this as soon as the grass is dry outside. I can show you how it works, how good of a job it does. Until then, if you want to go get your machine and get it set up and ready for the season, then you can go on my affiliate link for the Mellif, which is in the description. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.